Life moves faster each day, and we make sacrifices just to keep up. None more so than in the kitchen. This hurried lifestyle means having to eat hastily thrown together meals and on-the-go processed foods. As a result, your health and that of your families takes a back seat. For a growing family, this is unacceptable, and we know it. But who has the extra time, kitchen space, or energy to create healthy family meals day after day, night after night? With standard cookware, very few. But with Instant Pot, there's an affordable solution for everyone, and it all happens with the press of a button. Whether it's hearty chili, spicy curry, perfect rice, refreshing dairy or non-dairy yogurt, cheesecake, in fact, pretty much any recipe you can think of. Whatever your food preference or tastes, Instant Pot can make family meals happen with the simple push of a button. Thanks to the microprocessor-controlled programming, Instant Pot is amazingly simple to use, while also safe, convenient, clean, quiet, and fast. It's a money saver, allowing you to cost-effectively replace 6 to 7 commonly used kitchen appliances. Instant Pot is a time saver. Cooking times are 2 to 6 times faster than conventional cooking methods. Instant Pot has an all-encompassing multi-cooker with up to 7 functions, replacing your slow cooker, rice cooker, food warmer, pressure cooker, steamer, sauté pan, and yes, even the yogurt maker. A single Instant Pot does the job of every one of those appliances, and more.
Introducing the Zillion Shiatsu Pillow Massager. The Shiatsu Massager has 2 different settings for ultimate relaxation: massage and heat and just massage. Hold down the button for 3 seconds to turn it off. The massager is easy to use. Just ensure that the connections are tight. You should hear a click, then just plug it into a home outlet or a car socket. The Shiatsu Massager has an ultra-slim ergonomic design which contours perfectly around lower and upper back, neck, abdomen, calf, and thigh areas. The massage motors are also very powerful to ensure a deep massage. Now sit back, relax, and let the Zillion Shiatsu Pillow Massager relieve all your aches, knots, and muscle tension.
If you're looking for a 1080p web camera made with Skype in mind, the eMeet C960 is a solid option, which delivers sharp, smooth video for Skype chats and YouTube recordings. Thanks to the fixed focus, low light boost, color boost, and adjust exposure functions, this model delivers bright, vivid colors every time. Featuring 2 omnidirectional mics, it automatically cancels the background noises and allows your friends or clients to hear the real you. It also features a tripod-ready universal clip that fits to laptops and LCD monitors. The C960 is simple to set up on Windows, OS X, Android, and Chrome OS. And most video calling applications, including Skype and Google Hangouts, just plug and play. If you want a powerful, effective, and high video quality web camera, it doesn't get much better than this.
Looking for salon-worthy blowouts? Try the one-step hairdryer and volumizer to dry and add body. The unique oval design is perfect for extra lift at the roots and smooth curled ends in up to half the time. One-step styling and gorgeous results. Style confidently.
This is so satisfying to have power from my phone and not worry about finding the next outlet.
You literally plug it into your phone and it starts charging.
It comes with a very nice packaging and wow, it's very lightweight. It only weighs at 6.5 ounces. It comes with 2 output ports, which means you can charge your phone and tablet at the same time. It's high rated and fast charging as well.
I like how sleek and smooth it is, so it's easy to slip in a pocket or in my purse.
Use the big one for travel and the cute little small one for going out. I just plug in my phone cable. I'm good to go.
I think it's a really great purchase. It's sturdy, it's reliable, and it's the most important thing to me.
I'm never going back to a standard brick-style power bank again. The Mojix Slim Fit Portable Battery Charger.